Patty. I do think it's smart that Jason is keeping the girls from her. Patty's teaching these girls to love someone that's gonna just survive in things. I think Patty is doing all this because she wants control of Jason. Patty tries to make Jason out to be a monster, and he's far from a monster.
Well, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
You've been in this relationship how long?
A little over 2.5 years.
Okay, so you've been around since they had a falling out.
Correct.
And do you